Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ivonne, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a little Saje natural wellness unboxing. And if you don't know what Saje is, they're a company that has like natural wellness products like diffusers, essential oils, and I think they also have like a skincare line. But they were kind enough to send me a diffuser, and I got this one through Mini Social, which I've talked about like before. And no, this isn't sponsored, but I still wanted to share with you guys the diffuser. I want to do a little unboxing with you guys and show you how it is, and also show you the essential oils that I got. And at the end of the video, I'll share a discount code for you since the holidays are coming up. I feel like this could also be a perfect gift for someone. So this is what the box looks like. It's a gray box and it says Saje Wellness Aroma Om Ultrasonic Diffuser, and it says 100% all natural, and it also has like the little thing right here, infuse your air with the vitality of nature. And so it kind of just has the how to use, like the 1, 2, 3s on how to use it, and then there's sustainability, how they care about the planet, the benefits of the humidifier, and then it also kind of shows you like the little details of the diffuser, which is you have to fill it with water, and it mists for 3 continuous hours. I cannot talk today. I need to make coffee. It's already 4. I need coffee today. So, like I said before, I started stuttering over here. The mist, it lasts about 3 continuous hours, or like if you stop it, you know, on and off kind of thing, intermittent, 6 hours. Okay, and it's a ceramic material, and it does have an LED light feature, and the water tank itself is 3 fluid ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. The box itself is like a really good, like high quality. I feel like I'm gonna reuse this box for Christmas presents. So if you're seeing this video and you're the lucky one that gets this box, just know that there is not a diffuser in there. It is something else. I'm keeping the diffuser for myself. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I feel like I need to turn on the light because it's too bright in the back. All right, there we go. So I turned on my ring light because it was getting too dark in here, and then back there, like the camera was just overblowing my window. So anyway, so this is what it looks like when you first open it. It has like the little instruction manual, which I guess just kind of tells you a little bit more on how to use it, how to connect it, what the buttons are for. Okay, so I read it a little bit, and now I know about the different diffusing options. So there's the continuous misting, and then there's the misting intervals of 30 seconds. Interesting. Okay, so I guess we'll mess with that right now. So taking it out of the box, this is what it looks like. Let me show you guys up close and personal. It looks like that. It is ceramic, so you do have to be really careful with it because you could break it. And this is what it looks like. It looks like, you know, has like a little slanted tip, and this is where like the mist will come out of. Oh, so it's hollow on the inside, and then it comes with like the little things where you pour. This is where you pour the water in, and it does have like a little water level line, and then you just pour it in there, and then it just starts to mist through here, and then it comes out through there. So these are the buttons right here. The first button is the LED button, and the second one is the one that you press to turn it off, to change the misting settings to either continuous or like 30-second intervals. So that's that, and it does come with its little adapter as well. So I'll get this box out of the way, and like I said, this is a really sturdy box. Like, it's pretty thick, so I'm gonna repurpose it for a Christmas present. So now that we unboxed the diffuser, we saw how it looks like. We haven't quite seen how it works yet, but before we do that, I want to show you guys the essential oils that I also got from them. And this is a little collection. It's the Best of Saje diffuser collection. Essential oils, and so it has 6 different ones. It has one that is a deep breath right here, and the deep breath oil is Revitalizing Diffuser Blend, and it says has eucalyptus leaf oil in there, some lemon, peel oil, peppermint, lavender, and majoram. Probably said that wrong. Anyway, so it has this one. I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. And they are tiny. They're only 0.17 fluid ounces. But I feel like essentials just last a pretty long time. Ooh. I could definitely smell the peppermint and the eucalyptus in there. It like just clears your sinuses. It smells really good. Okay, so that's the deep breath one. The next one is Elevate. And it's energizing. And it contains orange, citrus, lemon, tangerine, yuzu, and lemongrass. So it's very citrusy, I'm assuming, based on the ingredients. Oh yeah, I was literally gonna go like this to have you guys sniff it or smell it. But you can definitely smell the lemon and the orange, the citrus in there. It smells really good. I can see why it would be elevating, it's energizing. I feel like this one would be really good in the morning when you're like trying to wake up, or you're trying to just have like a slow morning, but at the same time very like energizing. You know, you don't want to feel lazy. I feel like that would be the perfect. So the next one is Goddess, and it's supposed to be euphoric, and it contains orange peel oil, palmarosa, rose oil, jasmine flower extract, and it has bitter orange flower oil, and it has another kind of flower extract that I cannot pronounce. But let's go ahead and smell it. Definitely does smell really, really flowery. Not like super flowery to the point where it makes your head hurt, but it's like, you know, I can smell this, the orange, the citrusy, with like, you know what? I can really smell the jasmine flowers in there. It smells so good. No wonder it's called Goddess. Oh, it just smells so good. Like this itself could be a perfume. I would really like this to be a perfume. So Sage, if you hear me, if you're watching this, please make this into a perfume. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, the next one is Liquid Sunshine, and it's cheerful. So this, before I smell it, let's see. It has grapefruit peel oil, bergamot fruit oils, orange peel oil, lime peel oil, tangerine peel oil. So again, I feel it's going to be very similar to the Elevate one, where it has a lot of citrus in it. I'm getting more of the grapefruit and lime versus like the Elevate one, you get more of like the orange. But yeah, this one's more like grapefruity. Definitely can smell it. And the lime. Oh, that's so good. I feel like if this was to be a candle too, this would be really good. Liquid Sunshine, but I feel like I would use this one during those days where it's like very gloomy outside and there's no sun. I'm gonna diffuse some Liquid Sunshine. So this, I feel like this one is just perfect during the day, during the morning, especially those gloomy days where you just kind of feel down and you want a little bit more of like sunshine in your life. I feel like Liquid Sunshine is the way to go. All right, so the next one is Present Moment, and it's a grounding diffuser blend, and it contains grapefruit peel oil, orange peel oil, frankincense oil, sandalwood oil, vetiver root oil, and lang lang oil. So let's smell it. It's definitely more mellow compared to the other diffuser blends that we already smelled. I can see why this one is grounding. It's very calm. I could smell some of the grapefruit in there, but it's not as strong compared to the one that was in the Liquid Sunshine. But yeah, this one's definitely more mellow. It smells really good too. Can't wait to try all of these. And the last one is Tranquility, which is relaxing. And in this one, there's some orange peel oil, lavender, majoram. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right. And lang lang, and some Roman chamomile. and some Roman chamomile. I don't know why I always want to say chamomile, but I know it's not like that. But it's chamomile, Roman chamomile. So it's supposed to be relaxing. It is mellow. I can definitely smell more of the lavender. The lavender is more pronounced in this, which, you know, makes sense because it is supposed to be relaxing, and lavender is known to be kind of like relaxing too. So I really like this one. It smells really good. I think my favorite one out of all of them, after smelling all of them, I think Goddess is my favorite, and then I want to say Liquid Sunshine are my two favorite right now. I do need to try all of them out just to, you know, before I finally decide which is my favorite, but as of right now, Goddess is really good. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can bring you guys in a little bit closer. I do have you on my tiny tripod. I brought you guys a little bit more down so you guys could see when I pour the water and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. And oh, it's right at the bottom. Just plug it in, and I think this, yeah, okay, so this kind of, you can move it around, like the wire itself, you can move it around so it's like in the back. Put it all the way in, and like the little feet on it have like rubber, so it like grips onto the surface of your shelf, so it doesn't like slide easily, which is good because you don't want it falling over and breaking. So let's take that off. I do have some water in my little container. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in there. Okay, and I already poured the water in, and it's to the water line right here. I don't know if you guys can kind of see, barely see the line of the water, but it's to the water line. So if I remember correctly, this is the first button is the LED button, and the second button is the one where you turn it off and you change the way the mists come out, either continuous or like in between 30-second intervals. All right, so I'm gonna be going in with the Tranquility Relaxing Blend since it is 420 on a Saturday, and I'm not really gonna go out anywhere besides maybe go get some coffee, and that's about it, which is, you know, and then just kind of do create some little Christmas lists. So I feel like Tranquility would be really fitting right now, so I'm gonna go ahead, and it says add 10 to 15 drops to Ultrasonic Diffuser. That smells good. Okay, so let's add, it says 10 to 15, so I'm gonna go ahead and just add like 10. Okay, next I added 11. This is what it looks like. Just kind of sits right there. Almost looks like, since it is oil, so it just kind of sits on top of the water. So let's go ahead and put this on like that. This on. Even this box is really sturdy. I'm keeping that one so I can put these right here, that I don't lose them. I'm gonna bring this a little bit back so you guys can see it. So that turns on the LEDs. Okay, it doesn't change color, it just stays white. And then I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you guys can hear it. So you can hear the water in there, and then you can see the mist coming out. So I think that's the continuous mist, and that can go on for like 3 hours straight. I like how you can see the steam, just like the, not the steam, the like the mist just coming out. I don't know, something about that is like really calming. I could stare at that all day. And hearing the water in there kind of like just move, it's also very relaxing. You can hear the fan in there spinning, but it's like very quiet to the point where it just kind of goes in with all like the little soothing sounds coming out of the diffuser, which is nice. It's actually very relaxing. I'm actually really happy with this. I've never really had one that's like ceramic like this. So this one's really nice. It feels very like high quality too, and it's very nice. So I feel like it by itself, I'm gonna look it up for you guys. You know what? Now that I'm like here kind of just listening to it as I'm like searching up the price for this, Kind of reminds me of like a rainy morning or like a rainy afternoon, like the smell of it too. I don't know, it's just really relaxing. I really enjoy it. Like it's just really calming. And I know I've said that already, so let's see, diffusers. So and this one was the Aroma Om diffuser, and it retails for $92, and it does have the Best of Beauty award winner from Allure 2020 and New Beauty 2021. See, it retails and it has like the little awards. But this one, I feel like this one goes with pretty much anything, like especially around your house, because it is a neutral like ceramic color. It's very nice. And you can just like place it and it looks nice by itself. Like it by itself is just decor. Like this is really nice. Okay, so that itself is $92, and then the Best of Saje collection of little diffuser blends. So one of them, I'm looking up like a full size. So for example, the full size of the Deep Breath one is 1 fluid ounce, and this is 0.17 ounce. So this is smaller just because it's in a little collection. By itself, it retails like for $30, and the Goddess retails for $48. So I feel like they're all like, they have a lot more diffuser blend collections in there. Like there's a Sweet Dreams, there's a Relaxation Room, a Pick Me Up. Oh, there's also a little bit of bigger size. That's a 0.34 fluid ounce of the Goddess for $26. So I guess they have different sizes, and you just get the size that you want. So for this little collection, the Best of Saje collection, it retails for $65, and you get 6 diffuser blends, which I think isn't bad because they all smell great, and I feel like there's always a need for each one. Like I feel like you're gonna use every single one of these at one point or another. Like at night, I feel like, you know, tranquility is good, and then if you have other diffusers, you can definitely use these. So I feel like this is good. And then there is a 20% off code. Let me bring you guys back to me. Like I said, they were kind enough to send this to me, and no, it is not sponsored. I don't get any money out of this. They just sent it to me through Mini Social, so it is what it is, and I'm really grateful because this is amazing. It's like something that I didn't even know I needed in my life, and now I feel like I can't be without it. This is just so soothing. Like I feel like if it was just quiet in here, like if I stopped talking and just let it, like, I feel like you can have this on and you can like journal away or just close your eyes and fall asleep. I'm in love with this thing. Absolutely amazing. I want another one for downstairs. I'm gonna keep this one in here in this room, and I feel like I want one for my room, for the master bedroom, and then one for downstairs, like the living room area. But like I said, it's not sponsored. Can you guys see the mist? It's like mesmerizing. Okay, so moving on before I get distracted again. They did give me a code to share with you guys, and it is WELL20, and you can use it to get 20% off your entire purchase, which I feel like is great, especially if you're looking for diffusers, or you're looking to get new ones or more, or you're looking to get more essential diffuser blends. I feel like that would be great to use it on, especially if you get like a little set. You get multiple ones that you can try out. So yeah, right now I'm using the Tranquility one, and you can smell it, but at the same time it's not so overpowering to the point where it gives you a headache. It's just very calming. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's just very, very calming. But anyways, I still wanted to share this with you guys in case you're looking to add more things or even Christmas gifts. But with that being said, thank you so much for being here. And if you like this video, please like that thumbs up button. It would help me. It helps me out a lot, and it doesn't. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my little YouTube familia. I would love to have you here. And if you're already part of the little YouTube familia, thank you so much for being here. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.